Hi guys, I'm Martin Pomoy. Binabati ko yung Dreams Ideal Realty. Sana mag-success kayong business. God bless. Ingat.
Hi Dreamers! Welcome back to our channel, Dreams Ideal Realty. We have a different house tour for today because we are, or I am, and this is my architect, we're doing house construction here in ALTA VISTA, the Subic, the most popular subdivision with the most beautiful view, sea views and mountain views. Say hi!
Hello po.
Hello po. Asan mong boses mo ha? He's a little bit shy.
Yes, opo.
So, nakasan mo yung boses mo. So, we will have a tour today. So, we're doing the Dreams Ideal Realty office here in Alta Vista. It's phase 1. So, we will do the ground level only, the first floor and the basement area. And then, phase 2 maybe in about 100 years from now. But for now, this is the phase 1. So, we will be touring you around so that you will also have an idea how to construct houses here in the mountains of Alta Vista, the Subic. So first and foremost, the lot area of this property is 320 square meters. This is the property, and going through that road, it's already the clubhouse of Alta Vista, the amenity area. Okay? So, architect.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the concept? No, I'm the one who decided for the concept. So, the concept here is, it's kind of like modern Asian tropical. It's just like Bali, Indonesia, something like that. But for the ground floor, syempre, you cannot see it pa. Because if we say Bali, Indonesia, Asian tropical, it's the roofing that will stick, that will speak, right? So, architect.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it that I was surprised for our bills? Palaki ng palaki. Because of the terrain of my property, right?
Yes.
We used, what do you call that, the retaining wall?
Retaining walls for the inside of the structure first. And we also have, we have two also with the retaining wall for
Let's
the fence.
check the retaining wall over here.
This is for the retaining wall for the structure.
So that's the retaining wall for the structure.
All concrete.
already. This one, right? That one. This area will be the carport.
The access for the basement. The area for the carport is around 45 square meters. This is
45
area.
square meters for my carport. 3-car carport. And for this one, this will be the office area.
From this point.
From that point
up to that beam.
that is the office area.
Office
How
area.
big? 45
40
or 40 square meters. O diba? Kung if you can check around that area, the foundation is really deep, right? So this is the basement,
The
diba? Architect, that's the basement. 45 square meters.
45 basement floor area, and our additional also from the ground we have the dining and the open patio looking at the sea view.
Yeah, that's the sea view. Can you see it? That's the sea view. So from the ground, from the eye level itself, you can already see the magnificent sea and mountain views. What's more, if we already have the second floor and the third floor, by God's grace. So I really need to work hard. So buy
Around by about 2 years from now, maybe.
Yeah, by God's grace, why not? So maybe we can check the retaining wall, the fence at the back. We're trying our best, guys, to speak in English because we have foreign clients who are looking for contractors in the Philippines also, especially around Olongapo or Zambales area. Architect Rex is a trusted professional. He's really hands-on. Like every day he's here to check the property.
Raining.
Even if it's raining, they are working, you know.
We're now at the level of the basement. On our original plan, this is the maid's room or the storage room, and this will be the laundry. So what we did here was to maximize the slope. You can see from the road up to this point, and this is the retaining wall that we were talking about, that we have to put because of the slope that is above the normal height. So, still working
And that
on-
is pure concrete, right?
Yes.
Pure concrete or buhos in Tagalog.
This not na like this, like CHB wall. This is the pure concrete retaining wall.
And I saw a while ago you're using jack built.
Yep. This is that was for the basement blocks.
The basement blocks, the basement
The basement
hollow blocks
hollow blocks.
is jack
Jack.
built. So it is very heavy and very durable. So what else? Any special thing about this one?
We
It
did
is a-
use a jack built because structurally, it can also add the strength for the basement area.
Actually, originally, there's no basement, but almost 2 weeks ago, architect suggested that we need to maximize the slope of the area because he said we have 45 square meters. Instead of wasting it, why not maximize it and put a basement? So I've decided that instead of this room, instead of that one to be used as a
Storage.
maid's area,
Maid's area.
I'll be using that room as a storage area, and for the basement, so that the basement will be my guest room, instead of having this as to be the guest room or maid's room, we put the guest or the guest room on the basement area already. So for the ground floor, we will have, originally there should be one guest room on the first floor,
First floor.
but I suggested that just remove it and put the guest room on the basement area so that I can have bigger space, living area,
Living area.
and everything, right? Because how big is that, the guest room supposed to be? 13 square meters. So we added 13 square meters for the living area instead. Okay? Is it hard to construct here in the mountains of Alta Vista?
Actually, ma'am, yes, but we have to think, strategize, and so we can build this to accommodate we have to also think of strategies that might help for us to build this wisely, and also considering the weather. We consider all the facts that the weather, the terrain, and the availability of all materials in here. So far, we're on time.
He's on
Regardless of-
time because he doesn't want to pay penalty. Okay?
Yes. That's
Because
also-
you know, if you're doing construction in the Philippines, you also need to protect your interest. That's why you have a contractor and client agreement. So everything so far is good with Architect Rex. Okay, I'll not recommend him if he's not good, you know. And he's really up to date. He is really patient with me, you know, because sometimes I'm fickle-minded as a woman, you know. Architect, how deep is our retaining
the
wall?
Retaining wall from the original, it's about around 2 meters. 2 meters is 7 feet from the original, below the original ground.
7 feet from the
Original. And,
from the natural ground.
natural ground.
Yeah.
And we have all about 10 to 15 feet high that is needed to the retaining wall. 15, yeah, 15.
So from the 7 feet, we added,
We added, this is
15.
15.
Wow, that's high. What's that? What's the water over there?
Water,
Is that okay?
This one, just the residue of the cement.
Is that okay?
Yes. So moving at the back.
So basically, this is my boundary line. This is the boundary already.
Yes.
Okay.
And we also needed to connect the retaining wall for the house, like this extended beam, steel beam. So it added more for strength and for structural purpose. We need to connect that beam to the retaining wall.
So I guess
It's the view.
yeah, that's the view over there. That's what I paid for.
Yeah.
The view. The view, the view, the view. That's the view already. So imagine at our eye level, you can already see the view. I'm excited if, what's more, if I have a second floor, third floor.
Even if you are in the ground floor, you can see the view already. Good view.
So I only have 2 properties here in Alta Vista for sale. So if you're interested, you need to PM me ASAP. Okay? So that's it for our first construction vlog for today for our Dreams Ideal Realty Office. And again, the lot area of this property is 320 square meters. The floor area is
Around 170.
170 square meters without the living room, because we're doing a kind of complicated project right now, since the original plan is for a 3-story building, but we will finish first the ground level. That's why we didn't do yet the living area for structural purposes, so that we will not spend a lot more money destroying that living room in the future, because it's an open below concept. So he knows best, so I just follow his instruction, you know. So next time, stay tuned. What's the next update next time?
For our next update, we will be having the ground floor concreting, the basement concreting, and the extension of the columns up to the second floor or the rooftop.
Perfect. Thank you, Lord. I hope that we will have good weather,
Yes.
Architect, because here in Zambales, it's been raining for almost a week now. And it's raining yesterday, but now we have very good weather from since morning up to 5:30. Okay guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye!